the devil are you? Well, how's this for an oil burning creation? It's a car muffler. Is there anything we can't burnerise? Well, you've just seen the construction phase of my latest brainwave idea burner. Here at the Oil Burner R&D Labs and Test Facility, I'm in the middle of having a long overdue cleanup, but I came up with another brainwave idea, and here it is. It's very technical, and if any of you don't know what it is, please immediately go to the Play School channel. That's more your speed, people. What I've got here obviously is an old car muffler. These things are baffled internally, which means they're going to have lots of retained heat, and to me that's perfect for an oil burner. So I've put my oil feed hole in. I'm about to just do the very technical connection for the air supply to my blower of some duct tape. Where the hell did I put that anyway? And I'll use some gas to heat this old muffler internally, and then I'll feed in some oil. I reckon it'll work. Wait and see how clever I am, or am not. So here I'm preheating the oil burner with what else but an oil burner. What else would an oil burner be for anyway? It's going to be a bit of a trick to get this thing hot, so I'm going to bring in some decent heat. Not going to do that with propane. Gee, I'm starting to sound like an American. I'll heat it up with the oil, and hopefully I'll be able to see when it's getting hot enough. I've got some oil inside that muffler already, and when it looks like it's getting there, I'll turn on the big blower and see how I go about lighting the thing. Well, I can't say that one exactly went to plan, but as you can see, I have an oil burning muffler. Check that out for an oil burner with a difference. Burnerise anything. That's working so good it needs an afterburner. Haven't even got the oil on, that's just running on what's in it. The air's pretty low because the thing came down and the seal of the air came off. I'll try and put it on and see if I can get a bit more flame out of her. must be able to pick it up that there's certain sections of that muffler's getting red hot. So that's oil burner vaporising there, and that should just keep on going merrily away. Is there anything you can't make a burner out of?